Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy Power Grid in the cash segment at 132, holding these long positions so initiated with a stop loss at 130, expecting to book profits at 135 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a short on Petronet LNG in the cash segment at 181 levels, holding these short positions so initiated with a stop loss at 183, expecting to book profits at 177 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
On the futures front, I'd prefer to trade Nifty futures. Looks like 7650 could be a strong base formation. That's the place I would have a stop. On the upside, possibly 7750 to 7770 could be the target. So buy long Nifty futures. For today, I have two longs, starting with Apollo Tyres. That looks good to me. A good double bottom, a good up move yesterday, and looks like Apollo Tyres can climb to levels closer to 190. Give some time and space, it can go there. Stop below 174 on Apollo Tyres should be fine. The second stock that I really like is Bharat Forge. What an up move, a good pattern, good structure, trading at an all-time high, and looks like Bharat Forge can climb to levels closer to 768. Stop below 738. So for today, two stocks, Apollo Tyres and Bharat Forge, both look good.
In the future space, I would want to buy August futures of Bajaj Auto at 2100 levels, holding these long positions with a stop loss at 2080, expecting to book profits at 2135 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
The first pick from our side would be Wipro. We saw that yesterday there was a piercing line pattern that was formed of the daily chart. So 610 is the possibility from that pattern. So we are expecting the stock to move towards the level of 610, and a stop loss for the same can be kept at 535. The second pick would again be from the IT space, which is Infosys. We saw that the stock broke out from a consolidation and the momentum seems to be rising there. So we are expecting a target of 3800 over the time frame of 2 to 3 months, and the stop loss for the same can be kept at 3350.
I would go with a buy with a Hind Petro, stop loss of 410, target 442. I think it has made a bottom, and this move, you can see an extended move in Hind Petro over the next few days or weeks. The second call is a buy in a Tata Chemicals, stop loss of 357, target of 380. And in FNO, I would go with a buy in a Infi, August futures, stop loss of 3440, target of 3537.
Well, for the moment, Nifty support bands are about 76.43 to about 76.63, and clearly once we start breaking this band on the downside, maybe shorts can be initiated. Resistance band, as I said, 77.03 to about 77.23. Bank Nifty support band is 15,133 to about 15,039. Resistance band 15,215 to about 15,304. CNX IT support band 10,064 to about 10,109. Resistance band 10,201 to about 10,246. BTST from yesterday, Biocon was a sell with a stop of 462, target of 430. Voltas was a buy with a stop of 190, target of 210. CESC was a buy with a stop of 660, target of 685. Fresh falls, PI Industries is a buy with a stop of 397, target of 425. Bharat Forge is a buy with a stop of 740, target of 775. GHCL is a buy with a stop of 60, target of 74. Now I have three sell recommendations which come into play in case the market starts seeing a reversal post the event. So REC is a sell with a stop of 310, target of 287. India Bulls Real Estate is a sell with a stop of 81, target of 67. NTPC is a sell with a stop of 145, target of 132.
I have a buy on UBL, which after a long time is signaling a bottom in place. That's a buy with a stop at 722 for targets of 765. BPCL, as I mentioned earlier as well, that's a buy if it starts getting past 605, 606. Buy then with a stop at 593 for targets of 635. A buy on Crompton with a stop at 197 for targets of 215. A buy on Tata Chemicals, which made a fresh 52-week high and a fresh swing high. That's a buy with a stop at 354 for targets of 375. And I've got one sell call, that's on Bata India. Sell with a stop at 1270 for a decline to about levels of 1200.